Hello, in this video we will show you how to format zero values in Excel without disrupting the original custom format that you already have. Let me zoom in by pressing Ctrl A inside the table. Press View and then Zoom to Selection. In this example, we have a table that displays the bike model, lowest and maximum retail price for each one, but notice there are some zeros in it. In this case, some models have free shipping, like Francis and Romeo, while Skylar and Angelus offer free samples, and that's why they have no minimum price. Our goal is to keep the current formatting intact with the USD at the end, as the company sells in other countries as well. However, every value of zero needs to have only one decimal, unlike the general two decimal settings that you can see for the rest of the numbers. You're probably thinking of using the Find and Replace feature to solve this riddle quickly. But here's the problem. You will have to do this step every single time, but in this case, let's see if it works. Let's go ahead and try it. First, I am going to show you the Find and Replace method and then the correct way under Formatting, so you can reuse it in future worksheets. Click inside the table and press Ctrl A to select the whole data. Then press Ctrl H to activate the Find and Replace feature. I will try to just enter 0.00 under Find What and then 0.0 under Replace With. This error that you're going to see is suspected because it's looking for the exact value with the $ and USD in it. Even in this case, when we copy and paste the value into Find What, we cannot find it either, and the same error comes up again. Let's do a last test. Look what happens if I type just 0. Everything else on my table will change, which is not what we want. See how it's ready to replace everything instead. Instead of creating a complicated if statement or macro, let me show you a better way that you can reuse every time in Excel. First, select the whole table again with Ctrl A and go to the Home tab. Select the drop-down on top of the Number Format section. Click More Number Formats at the bottom, then go to Custom and choose the one that you're using now. How do we know it's the right one? Well, carefully look at the formula and the patterns of the $ at the very beginning, two decimal places, and then the USD at the very end. This formula can be edited by specifying how zeros should be displayed only by typing right after the semicolon, no space, a quote, $ 0.0 space USD. Then close the quotes. And this is the little tweak that will force the zeros to be displayed with just one decimal. Now, if you want the zeros to be gone and just show the cells blank, here's another trick. You can go to the same formula and then at the end, just delete the values inside the quotes and press OK. See how the zeros went blank, but for this example, I am going back and retyping the formula with just one decimal for zeros, with the USD at the end. Notice how we press Ctrl A every single time to select the whole table. The best part about this step is that if you open a new worksheet, like the book one in this example, all you have to do is select the values, go to Home, Format Number like you did before, then pick Custom and click on the custom format that you used, so the zeros will look the same. No more manual typing. Remember to get your free Excel shortcut list in the link below, and let me know in the comments what other features do you use in Excel. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. See you next time.